How to find the value of a function when substituting an algebraic expression. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is copy the original function. But a lot of times what students like to do is, instead of writing the variable, write parentheses but leave them empty like this. Alright, so I just copied the original right here, but instead of writing the x, just left it blank. Okay, that's pretty simple. Then we're going to substitute the given expression. That given expression is the value inside of the parentheses in the function notation here. So f of blah. So before it was an x here. Now this is x plus 8. Okay, so we take that and we stick it inside of those open parentheses like this. Okay, if there were more, like just pretend if this was 11x squared, then I would put the parentheses here and I would put x plus 8 inside of there, and then the squared would be outside that parentheses. Okay, but in this case we only have one we're substituting into right here. Okay, now we simplify our answer. Okay, as you can see, since this is in the parentheses, what I need to do is I need to distribute this negative 12 by multiplying it by x and then multiplying it by 8. So that's how I got the negative 12x minus 96, and the plus 11 is here. Then we simply combine these like terms right here, and we get negative 85. And that completes our problem. But one more hint or tip is you should always check after simplifying if you can then factor. Okay, as long as you're not factoring back to the original expression, because then you would just go back and forth forever, right? But in this case, I can't factor, so we're done.